Okay, this is Lorraine Turnbull, and today we're going to talk about grafting some apple trees. Now, you can see I've got two trees in a pot. These are actually apple rootstocks. These are both MM106s that I've grown myself. And the fact that they are not straight up and down is because here you can see where I've attempted to have a graft before. This was last year and it was far too hot and the graft didn't take. However, this is the new growth in a year that we will be grafting onto. I've got my cutting board, secateurs, grafting tape, my pruning knife, craft knife, and I've got my scion wood, which is from a Bramley, which I cut earlier today, and that is what we will be grafting onto these rootstocks. So have a look at video number 2 and I'll show you how we go about that.